In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $17 every 10 minutes using this new app that is invite only and that you, for being my subscriber, are going to have exclusive access. So I'm going to go ahead and answer the question right now. Yes, it can be done using a phone. This is a method that people in my mailing list and in my Discord server have had access to it for at least 7 days now. That's because every single method to make money that I'm currently working on, I first send it to the people in my mailing list and I tell the people in my Discord server. And that's because the videos that I record here for the channel takes 7 days to get edited. So if I find out a way to make money right now, I'll first tell the people in my Discord server and in my mailing list, and I'll record a video for it, but the video is only going to go live in 7 days. So if you want to get prior access to money-making methods, go ahead and join my mailing list or my Discord server right now. As usual, I will leave a link in the pinned comment of this video and in the description of this video for a text document which will include all the links mentioned here in the video and everything that you need to know. All the resources will be there in that text document. So if you're looking for something, go ahead and check over there. Now let's get to the juicy stuff. People in the mailing list and in the Discord server have been making money through this app, and also Webull offered me a special code until the 31st of October this month for every single subscriber of mine that signs up using the code that I'll leave in the text document. When you successfully sign up to their app and make a deposit of any amount, it could be 1 cent, they will give you for free 12 fractional shares of stock valued up to $30,600. So the people on the mailing list and in the Discord server have been making money through these two ways for about 7 days now. So don't miss out. Go join the mailing list or the Discord server. Now, how are you going to make $15 every 10 minutes? For this specific method, I'm going to show you how you can use this app to make $6 every 4 minutes. So if you do the math on that, you're doing $15 every 10 minutes. And if you add it up to 1 hour, which is 6 times 15, then you're going to be making $90 every single hour. And I'm also going to show you how you can get free traffic and even get paid to post your link for free traffic. And the website seems to work for about 12 hours a day. So you're getting $90, 12 hours every single day. So that adds up to $1,080 every day. Okay, so this is a brand new app. The owner of the app reached out to me because he's trying to promote his app and he wants to get more people on it, but he wants to get only quality people on the app. So what he's doing is he's reaching out to YouTubers who teach marketing to their subscribers like me, and he's giving only a few of them an invite code that they can use to invite their subscribers. And he has been kind enough to give me one that I'm going to share with you right now. So the name of the exclusive app that you're going to be downloading to perform this method is tapmob.io, which is this one right here that you're seeing right now. Okay, this is what it's going to look like on your phone. You can use this if you have an Android phone or an iOS device. It does not matter. And before I even show you how to register for this app, first I want to show you how you're going to get paid. So this app works all over the world. It is a worldwide app. It doesn't matter if you live in the United States, UK, France, Nigeria, India, whatever. Wherever you live, it works. You can literally choose when you want to get paid in as little as 1 to 2 business days. And like I said, this app is currently invite only, which is what makes it so great because the offers are unheard of. Now, if you live in a different country and you're worried about how you're going to get paid, let me put your worries to rest right now. So the payment methods that this app accepts are ACH if you're in the US, it accepts Swift payments if you're in Europe, it accepts PayPal, which is almost worldwide, it accepts bank transfers to bank accounts all over the globe. It doesn't matter where your bank account is at, you can just tell them where you have your bank account, your details, and they'll transfer the money to your bank account. And the best of all, if you don't have any of those, which I highly doubt, then you can specify how you want to get paid. If you're a minor, you want to get paid in gift cards, then you can just specify. They have an other option that you can just specify how you want to get paid. All right, so I've been listening to my comments and I'm happy to say that I found this app that anyone can use. Now, if you're excited to see how this method works, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like to make money online, because that's literally all I teach here. I post free videos every single week on this channel teaching you quick and easy ways to make money online. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? You're going to miss the future videos. Go ahead and subscribe right now. And now that you've subscribed, let's get on with the video. Now, all you have to do to download and register to the app is follow what I do, click where I click, and by the end of this video, you're going to be ready to start making a boatload of money. So first, you need to open your app store. It depends. If you're using an iPhone, then it's going to be called App Store. And if you're using an Android device, it's going to be called Play Store. Just open whichever you have right now and search for the app TapMob tapmob.io. Just like you see on the screen right now, tapmob.io, just tap on it. It's going to show up some apps. It's this first one right here, the best looking one. Just click download. On the right side, it depends on which device you're using. Right now I'm using a iOS device, so I'm just going to download it right now for you guys to see. Okay, once it's downloaded, all you have to do is open the app. So just tap open. Awesome. As you can see, we're in the app right now. Now, for you to be able to register, you're going to have to use my special invite code so they can approve your account. And I'm also going to teach you a little trick that you can use to expedite the process. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to click sign up, and I'm going to register with a brand new account just to show you how it works. All right, so I'm going to put my name, last name, a username of my choice. It can be anything that you want. You're going to input your email, a phone number, and your invite code. So the invite code is 19687. Now I'm just going to tap next. Remember, the invite code is going to be in the text file, in the pinned comment, and also in the description if you can't find it. Okay, now you need to set a password. Okay, so now it's going to ask you for your social media platforms. Don't panic, because I've already made a deal with the owner of the app. By using my invite code, he's going to approve you no matter how many social media followers you have. Okay, so in here you can just add the biggest social media account that you have. It doesn't matter how many followers you have, just put something in there. All right, just to prove that, I'm going to put my Twitter account in, which only has 50 followers, and the theme for my account is business, so I'm just going to click next. All right, now it's going to ask you for some type of messenger, right? Anything that you have, Skype, WhatsApp, any kind of messenger that you have, just input the username right here for them. Now on this tab right here, how did you hear about us? And like I said, I'm going to leave the script, all that you have, all the resources you need, it's in the text document. So what you have to put in here is, how'd you hear about us? You're going to write, I came from the Mr. Reis channel. Okay, so this is what your account should be looking like by now. So how did you hear about us? I came from the Mr. Reis channel. How do you plan to promote the app? I plan to use his methods. Additional info, he's the one that has invited me. This is all that you have to type in here, and you're good to go. All right, just click submit. Oh, first just choose a messenger and click submit. All right, so now it says, thank you for signing up. We're reviewing your application. Send us a message to speed up the process. All right, so what you're going to do is go into your email, and you want to send them an email. The email that you're going to send to them is also going to be in a text file, but it's support@tapmob.io. all right, that's all you need to send to them. Just wait for the response. It might take some time, because I know there's a lot of people going to be watching this video, so there's a lot of people that's going to be joining the app at the same time. Just give them some time to approve your account, and it should be good to go. Now, before I show you how to get the offers and promote them and how to generate traffic for them, I want to tell you that everything that I'm teaching here, I teach in my Pro University course. In my course, I teach you how you can create a profitable YouTube business. I teach you how you can create a cash cow YouTube channel that generates money for you without you having even to make videos. Or even you could create a personal YouTube channel like mine here. I teach all the secrets and insider details. This amount that you're seeing on the screen right now is just one YouTube channel that generates me passive income every single month. Now, what you're seeing on the screen right now is my personal YouTube channel, how many subscribers I've got in the last 28 days. I was able to achieve more than 60,000 subscribers in 28 days. This is an insane amount of growth, and I teach every single thing step by step inside the course. I also teach how you can set up an affiliate marketing business that you can set up once, and it generates cash for you while you sleep on autopilot. I teach you how you can build a profitable e-commerce business, and also how to grow your social media and how to become an influencer using TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. Now, how much money do you think you need to be financially free? What would you do with an extra automated $10,000 to $15,000 every single month? Would you retire your family, travel the world, pay those student loans? Currently, this course is being launched one module every single week, and because of that, for the price of a night out meal of $49, you can start building your automated online business today. But if you really want to join, then hurry, because soon I'm going to be raising the price of the course, and for the people that have joined now while the course is still launching, I'm going to keep the price of $49 a month. So if you're interested in building an online business, don't hesitate, go join now, and I'll see you inside. All right, so once you're in the app, the first thing that you want to do is set up your payout method. So all you have to do that is click your profile picture and select payment method. And as you can see here, in my case, it says PayPal, which is the one that I prefer to use. But like I said, you can use any method that you prefer. And once you hit this page, all you have to do is click the plus button on the right hand side, like on the corner, on the top corner, right? Just click plus and you're going to see the available options. So wire, direct deposit from ACH for people in the United States, PayPal for people almost worldwide, and you can click other if you don't have any of these. Let's say you're under 18 and you want to get paid in gift cards or whatever, just click others, and then you can add the details here of how you want to get paid. All right, you can just specify for them if you have like a transfer union account or you want to get paid in gift cards or whatever, just write it for them, give them the details and click save. Okay, then you want to back out and you want to click on the bottom here. You just want to click offers, and here is where you're going to be able to see the offers. Okay, so these offers are exclusive and unheard of. You won't find offers this good anywhere else. I can guarantee that. So as you can see, this DoorDash offer right here says email submit. It will pay $5 for each person that submits the email. You can see here it says email submit. All right, there's this FanDuel is going to pay $1.75 for each app install. It's a little bit harder and pays a little bit less. I don't know why anyone would use this one. So there's this FIFA 2000 points, pays $5 for each email submit. So if you play FIFA, this is a good one. So it has a lot of offers, right? But the one that I like to promote that I personally like is Apple. So this one is giving away a iPhone 14 for the people that put the email in their offer, right? So if you can get people to put their email in this offer, they are going to be entering to win an iPhone 14, and you're going to get $6 for each email sign up. So you want to click this offer right here, iPhone 14, which is the one that I'm using. Obviously you can use other offers. This is the one that I prefer to use. I like this one, so I'm just going to click on it. All right, now once you open the offer, what you're going to be seeing is your affiliate link and some requirements. Okay, so you must submit a valid working info. Fake and duplicate info will not be credited. You may use words like get, claim, and receive. What to avoid. All right, so no instant traffic is allowed ever. Do not say download and I'll follow back. Do not use words free, win, and won. Okay, so you can't use these. So the rules are set out for you right here. This is what you can and can't do, but all you have to do is just copy your link, and I'll show you what to do from now on. So the first thing that you have to do is copy this link. It's very, very easy to copy the link. Just click copy link and the link is going to be copied to your clipboard. All right, now save it somewhere safe. I'm just going to put it in my text file here, as you can see. Now what you want to do is you want to scroll down, and there's going to be some creatives. Creatives are just images or videos that you can use to promote the offer. So they make it very, very easy for you. They give all the material away. All right, so it says here some countries: Australia, Canada, UK, and US. These are the countries that are paying for these offers, but you don't have to worry because the traffic method that I'm going to show you is almost entirely for US customers. So your offers are going to be seen by the right people. So basically what you have to do here in the creatives is you need to pick something that you think is good to promote. I'm just going to pick this one right here. I'm going to save this image. On the top right corner, you just click save, allow it to save it to your phone. Now the rest of this video can be done on the phone, but I'm just going to use my computer because it's faster and easier to show, right? So if you want to continue these last steps on your phone, that's totally fine. So now you're going to go to the text file and you're going to use the website for the Linkvertise website, which is this website right here that you're seeing right now. As you can see, this site is also going to pay you for using their links. So they will advertise your link and they will also pay you for a certain amount of clicks that you get. And what makes this method so great is because you're doing a giveaway of an iPhone 14, which many people desire. So for you to get free clicks, it is much, much easier than if you're trying to sell something. You're literally giving away a free iPhone. All right, so they pay $8.50 every 1,000 clicks. All right, you can see all the benefits on their website here. Make money with Linkvertise without effort. And they also pay you with ACH transfers, wire transfers, PayPal, e-check, and bank transfer. It says here on the bottom of the page. All right, so you don't have to worry either. Now what you want to do in this website is you want to create an account. So we're going to register right now. I'm going to show to you how you need to do this. Okay, just follow me. Click register on the top right corner. You want to select a username for yourself, an email address, a password, and you want to confirm the terms of service, confirm that you're not a robot, and click register right now. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so when you click register, you should see a success message and it should redirect you to the website. When you open the website, it might show in German like it's showing to me right now because this is a German website, but all you have to do is you want to go to the top here and click on English right next to this bell that shows a 1. So you click on English and it's going to show a website fully in the English language so you can understand what you're doing. All right, so this is where you're going to see how many clicks you have, how much you have earned. They also have an affiliate program. So if you refer other people to use this website, website, you can get 5% of their incomes. So if you want to help out the channel, you can just use my affiliate link in the text document. And the way you set up your payout method is you click payouts on the left hand corner right here, and you scroll down the page. And what you want to do here is you want to enter all your information for them. Okay, just enter all your payout information. After that, you want to scroll down and click next. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to set up your payout information. You just have to put your address, payment method, and it's done. All right, just go clicking next until you finish the payout process. In here, you can see how much you have earned from the clicks that you have. Remember, you're also going to be earning money from TapMob, so this is just an extra. Now you want to click dashboard on the left hand side again, so you can go back to the main page, and you want to create a link. So you want to create on the top, just click create link. So the URL is just the offer that you copied from TapMob. You want to copy this and you want to paste it here. Okay, after you pasted it, what you want to do is click next in this orange arrow here. It's going to ask you if you want to add this content to the Linkvertise search network to get more clicks. So basically this website is also a search engine, and you definitely want this. All right, just leave it green. So it's asking for a short link title. So this can't be a long title. Just type in what your offer is about in a few words. So if you remember the TapMob app, it says that we can use the claim word. So I'm going to write claim an iPhone 14 here. All right, we're inside TapMob's rules, so no problem there. Now you want to click this green button right here where it says a green check. Just click on it. It's going to ask for a link title. Now you can write a bit more of words. All right, you can write a longer title. So I've just written, click here to enter a iPhone 14 giveaway and claim your brand new iPhone. I think that's good. So I'm just going to click next, which is the green check mark. All right, now you have to add a link description. So just describe your offer once more. So I just written, click this link to enter a iPhone 14 giveaway and have the chance to claim a brand new iPhone and receive it in time for Christmas. I think that looks good. I'm just going to click the green check mark again. Okay, so now you reach the frequently asked questions. You just want to hit the plus and it will auto populate this for you. So just put anything in. All right, now we're done. Just click the green check mark. All right, so if you look here on the right hand side, this is our ad. You don't have to pay for it. They're going to promote it for free, and you're even going to get paid for it. So if you guys saw my last video from Traffic Ad Bar, this is even better. So remember that creative that we downloaded from the app? Now you have to upload it here. If you have a video, it also comes here. If you have a full YouTube video about that product, you can also add the link here, and it's going to show here on your ad. All right, so as you can see, I've just added my image. So I'm going to crop it in a way that people can see the iPhones like this. I think it looks cool, it looks nice, and I think this is going to attract a lot of clicks. Okay, so you guys can see my ad here on the right, search results preview. Click here to enter an iPhone 14 giveaway and claim your brand new iPhone. All right, to me it looks really good, so I'm just going to click next. All right, so it's asking where you want to place your ads. You just want to click next because it's going to sort this out for you. Okay, now it also gives you some links for you to share your ad with other people so you can earn even more. It's going to promote it for you, but you can also copy this link right here and share it with people you know. All right, but if you don't want to do that, like, I don't recommend doing it. There's no need for doing this. Just click done, and that is it. It should take some time for you to start getting clicks. As you guys can see, I've already got a +1 here. I don't know who this is, but it should take about a good half an hour for you to start getting some clicks. So let's recapitulate the video here for you really quickly, because I know this can get pretty confusing. So step 1, download the app tapmob.io. Step 2, you're going to register for the app with the invitation code that's in the pinned comment in the text file and also in the description of the video. Step 3, get your offer from the TapMob app. Copy your affiliate link. Step 4, register your payout details on TapMob. Step 5, go to Linkvertise with the link in the description. If you want to help the channel, I'll put an affiliate link in the text file. You can just use that one and register for an account at linkvertise.com. Step 6, promote your link. And step 7, sit back, relax, and watch the money roll in. So these are all the money making ways you learn here in this video today. First, you heard about the email list and the Discord server to get exclusive prior access to every single money making method I put out here on this channel. Second, I taught you how you can get access to tapmob.io and get exclusive access to those CPA offers. Third, I told you how you can earn money from linkvertise.com. I showed you the Pro University course that you can use to build an online business. And if you want to use the traffic method that I use to generate $95 in sales in 20 minutes, just click this link right here and you're going to be redirected to my next video. I'll see you on that video. Work hard, play harder.